I'm going to do a 5-hole pamphlet stitch on this beautiful journal. I've got my clips. I poked my holes, 5 holes. I've threaded my needle with some waxed binding thread. I've got some pliers in case I need to pull out the needle, and I'm ready to go. So I'm going to go in the center, come out the back, leave enough so that it won't take off on me. Then I'm going to go to the second from the bottom. Come out the front. Get that nice, not too taut, just enough. And then it's going to be like a figure 8. So I'm going to go in here. This is where I will use my pliers if my hands don't let me grip. And sometimes I just use them just because it's just so much easier. It's just like having another little helper with you. I'm going to just go in here, and I'm going to make sure that I don't split it. So I always angle it so that it comes out that way. Okay, now I'm going to go up to, again, the second from the middle. And this is where, again, I use my pliers, so watch this. See that? Now grab this out the back. And then I will come down here. And then I'm going to go back up to the top, just like before, repeating that process. I'm going to go to the top. You're going to come out the hole that you made. And if it starts to fight with you, you can always look and make sure you're in the right spot. But when you do the traveler's size, then it's usually pretty easy and forgiving for you. So now, from here, we're going to go in here, and then we're going to come out the back, in the middle. Again, I angle it so that I don't split it. Because if you go through this and you split it, which, double check, you will not be able to pull this. You don't want to pull it too tight, because it won't work for you. I go into here, and you don't want it too loose either. That's it. And I just tie this. You can tie this in a bow. You should do a square knot, which is right over left, and then left over right. I always do it 3 times. And then I'm not going to make a bow. I'm going to make just a, cut this. The amount of thread, I used 3.5 lengths. So 1, 2, 3. Just that's it for 5. And there you have it. Simple. You can put these holes anywhere you want. You measure them out perfectly, or you just do what I did, which was eyeballing it.